How to make a man miss you. 7 new steps that always work. Have you ever wondered why sometimes, no matter how much effort you put into a relationship, it feels like he just drifts away? Or maybe you're hoping he'll start missing you, thinking about you, longing for your presence, but nothing seems to work. Today, we're going to explore 7 scientifically backed practical steps that consistently make a man miss you, sparking emotional connection and deep desire. These aren't tricks or manipulative tactics. These are methods rooted in psychology, human behavior, and the subtle dynamics of attraction. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to create meaningful absence, emotional resonance, and irresistible allure that naturally draws him back to you. Before we dive in, welcome to Complete Comfort and Lasting Wellness. Here, we share practical tips and inspiring strategies to strengthen your relationships, enhance your emotional health, and build deep, lasting connections. Whether it's love, intimacy, or personal growth, our mission is to help you live a life filled with joy, confidence, and meaningful bonds. So, if you're ready to transform your relationships and discover how to create magnetic attraction, make sure you stick around and subscribe. Step 1. Give him space to miss you. Step 1 may sound simple, but it's crucial. Allow him space. Psychology tells us that absence increases desire. When you're always available, your presence becomes a constant, reducing emotional impact. By giving him room to breathe and think about you, you allow his mind to wander back to the moments you've shared. This isn't about playing games, it's about creating a natural rhythm of togetherness and healthy distance that sparks longing. Step. To focus on your own growth, men are naturally drawn to confident, fulfilled partners. Step 2 is all about focusing on yourself, your passions, hobbies, fitness, career, or personal projects. When you invest in your own growth and happiness, you radiate self. This not only makes you more attractive, but also makes him realize the value of your presence. A woman who thrives independently encourages admiration, respect, and the desire to reconnect. Step 3. Be unpredictably positive. Predictability can lead to emotional complacency. Step 3 involves introducing positive unpredictability into your interactions. Share uplifting experiences, surprise messages, or spontaneous moments of joy. Neuroscience shows that dopamine, the feel-good chemical, is triggered by excitement and novelty. By associating your presence with positivity and stimulation, he will start missing the energy you bring into his life. Step 4. Subtle reminders of your bond. Step 4 focuses on emotional triggers. Gently remind him of your shared memories, inside jokes, or meaningful experiences, but without being overbearing. Memory recall strengthens attachment and can evoke longing. Simple gestures, like referencing a moment that made him smile, or sending a lighthearted text about a shared memory, can subtly spark emotional resonance, encouraging him to seek your presence again. Step 5. Maintain mystery and intrigue. Step 5 is about maintaining an element of mystery. People are naturally curious about what they don't fully know. By not revealing everything about your life all at once, and by occasionally sharing new aspects of yourself, you keep him intrigued. Mystery creates fascination, prompting him to think about you more frequently and wonder what you're doing, ultimately making him miss you. Step 6. Communicate confidence, not neediness. Confidence is magnetic. Neediness is repelling. Step 6 emphasizes expressing your desires and emotions clearly, but without desperation. Men are drawn to partners who are self-assured, balanced, and emotionally stable. When you communicate your feelings calmly and confidently, he respects you and naturally develops a deeper desire for your presence. Avoid overtexting or seeking constant reassurance. This maintains healthy boundaries while increasing his longing. Step 7. Show appreciation and emotional warmth. Finally. Step 7. Appreciation. People miss what makes them feel valued and loved. Express gratitude for his efforts. Celebrate his achievements and acknowledge the qualities you admire. Emotional warmth, coupled with genuine appreciation, strengthens attachment, and ensures that he associates you with positive emotions. This emotional connection will make him not just think of you, but genuinely miss the comfort, support, and joy you bring into his life. Conclusion: these 7 steps giving space, focusing on yourself, creating positivity, using subtle reminders, maintaining mystery, showing confidence, and expressing appreciation and combine psychological insight with real-world relationship strategies. Applied consistently, they create a natural pull, making him miss you deeply, thoughtfully, and authentically. Remember, these steps are about enhancing your value, nurturing emotional bonds, and building meaningful attraction, not manipulating or playing games. Your presence, when balanced with independence and emotional intelligence, becomes magnetic, inspiring him to seek you with genuine desire. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to Complete Comfort and Lasting Wellness for more life-changing tips, insights, and strategies for love, wellness, and meaningful relationships. Your journey to confident, magnetic connection starts here.